DIY taxes with software or hire a professional? It's the question everybody's asking right now. The answer isn't the same for everyone. It depends on your specific situation. So let me help you figure out which path makes more sense for you. If you're a W-2 employee with no side income, no investments beyond maybe a savings account, and you're taking the standard deduction, tax software is probably fine. I recommend FreeTaxUSA or 1040.com. Both are affordable and work well with straightforward returns. And one thing I'll say up front, you're always justified in hiring a tax professional if you're not confident about taxes. There are a lot of rules to keep up on, and while the interview-style software does a good job, I always remember wondering if I was answering the questions correctly. Putting an expert in that process can help make sure you're getting it done right. Peace of mind has value. But here are some of the signals that your taxes are complex enough that professional help makes sense and often pays for itself. First, business income. If you're self-employed, have a side gig, get 1099s, filing a Schedule C, there are deductions you might be missing, and the IRS scrutinizes Schedule C returns. A pro can make sure you're maximizing deductions while staying compliant. Rental property. Rental property has its own rules. Depreciation, repairs versus improvements, passive activity limits. Miss something and you're leaving money on the table or setting yourself up for an audit. Multi-state situations. Work in one state, live in another, you're filing multiple returns with credits and allocations. That can get complicated fast. Major life changes. Did you get married or divorced? Bought a house? Had a baby? Sold investments? These all have tax implications you might not be aware of. Professionals help you navigate the tax impact and make sure you don't miss opportunities. Investment income and capital gains. If you sold stocks, crypto, or other investments, the capital gains rules can be tricky. Short-term versus long-term, basis calculations, wash sale rules. A professional helps make sure it's reported correctly. Nearing retirement. If you're approaching retirement or recently retired, a tax planning session with a professional can be incredibly valuable. Decisions about when to take Social Security, how to draw from retirement accounts, Roth conversions, RMDs, these all have major tax implications. Getting strategic advice before you retire can save you tens of thousands over your retirement years. Here's the thing. If a professional finds even one deduction you missed or helps you avoid one penalty, they've often paid for themselves. And if your situation is complex, the peace of mind knowing it's done right is worth it. These are just some of the signals. If these sound like you, it's probably time to give your friendly local tax pro a call. And if you do decide to hire someone, I just wrote a blog post about what to look for in a tax preparer. Credentials, qualifications, all that stuff. Link is in the description. Hit like if this helped you make your decision, and comment with what tax term confuses you for next week.